Director of Jainam Gold, Mr. Ashish Jain. Hello, sir. Welcome to UGGIS 2020. How are you feeling? How excited are you for this sixth edition?
We are very excited with the sixth edition. It's been our fifth year in UGGI show. Every year has been fantastic, and this year I think, uh, given the issues of coronavirus, high gold rates,
Yeah.
but we are seeing a positive trend towards our sales, and people are really excited with what we have bought for the show,
Okay.
and they are very happy with the international designs which we have bought, the quality of product, and I think this has set a really good competition to players who are coming from Mumbai and other cities.
Okay. So as you said, visitors are very excited about what you have come up with. So we would love to know that what Jainam Gold has come up with this year.
So this year, Jainam Gold has came up with 4,000 plus new designs,
Okay.
which are all made with Swarovski zirconia. We got international designs from Italy, Turkey, uh, from across the world. Where plus we have developed our own design, keeping in mind taste of Maharashtra. People are loving the type of concept which we have bought, uh, where they see a true value coming from their local player, not expecting something like this from Pune manufacturer. But we are really happy that with what we have bought, they are happy, and we are seeing a positive sales given whatever is the market situation, which we were not expecting.
Okay.
So we are really happy, and we hope next year also we better it out and we meet to our customer expectations.
Great, sir. So you were associated since last 5 years. So how has been the journey so far?
Journey has been very good. We started very small, but over the period we learned what it takes to stand in an exhibition. This is our first show in terms of first exhibition to which we participate, and
Okay.
it's been 5 years now. So it taught us what is competition. It's never about the rate. People expect something from you, and year on year we improved ourselves on those points. Today we are seeing a complete change where 5 years back we were Jainam Gold. Now today we are a brand Jainam Gold, which people trust and which people have a expectation. So it has been a very beautiful journey, which has made us to think globally. So our next level is to go global rather than national.
The
So
last question, tell us something about your stall. It is one of the most beautiful stalls that we have seen in the exhibition in this year. So it's phenomenal. It's exceptionally beautiful. So what do you have to say about that?
First of all, I would say thank you very much for all the appreciation. We were not expecting that much, but yeah, our stall fabricators, My Dreams, has done a fantastic job. We gave them a free hand.
Okay.
Like every year, we just told them we want something unique, so that people just have us in the mind that when they are coming to Jainam Gold, they will get unique things, because stall is first thing which they see.
True, sir.
So your expectation is already built.
Yes, sir.
Now when you are entering, you are getting much more beautiful with the jewelry also. So I think it was a very good combination, and they have done a very good work,
Yes, sir.
setting a very good benchmark, and we are really happy that people have appreciated it very well.
So I hope, sir. So the way the candles are being lit at your stall, I hope the stall also get lit in next 2 days.
Sure,
So
sure.
thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Thank you for your time. Have a great day.
Thanks a lot.